So I've got this really cool drone. It's suitable for kids from 8 to 12, also for adults, and it has a lot of features. It also has HD camera, so let's unbox it and check it out, see how it flies, see how it works. Wow, nice. That is great. And here we have everything. There we go. This is the controller. As you can see, we have a button here. This takes batteries. We have two buttons here, two on top. We have these antennas, then we have these joysticks, the power button, and automatic landing, if I can see here, and taking off, which is great. These are the batteries. As you can see, they have micro USB here to charge them and here to connect them. On the drone, we have two of those right here. This is the actual drone. And this is the camera right here. And as I can see, it has a motor right here. You can hear it turn around, which is great. We have a sensor here, some lights, and these are the propellers. They have brushless motors, same like the DJI drones. And it opens just like that. There we go, another one. Then this one here underneath. And we've opened the drone. As you can see, it's quite small. We also have this for mounting the phone maybe. Let's actually put a battery in. Let's check this out. I think that's the power on button right here. There we go. Let's see what else we have. We have some propeller guards right here, which we will attach. And we also have some spare propellers, screwdriver, and charger, micro USB to USB-A for the batteries, and also a user manual. As you can see, they should be going really easy here. So something like that. If you attach it just like that and you push it down, there we go. We have the propeller guard. There we go, we have the propeller guard staying right here. To connect to it, you just need to press for a few seconds on this until you hear this sound, and then it will flash, and then you do the same on the controller and it will flash as well, as you can see right here. And then you need to, usually it doesn't automatically connect, but you need to just go up and then down, so it will connect. It will stop flashing and connect with each other. But now, as you can see, it's connected. So if you press once, it will start the propellers. And if we go up, as you can see, now it's in the air. There we go. So this is how it rotates around. Just go down and then press this button twice or once, and it will just go down and land. The battery will have about 15 minutes of playtime before you need to charge it again. And you have two batteries, which is great because you can have about half an hour or even a bit more of playtime for kids. That's great. You also have 3 levels of speed adjustment and also the low battery alert. To turn it on, you can hear the beep. So if the controller beeps like this, you know the battery is low, so you need to change the battery. And it's really nice that it has this foldable design, but you will need to take the guards off to fold it first. but it's like foldable, and then you can fold it and put it in this that is provided, which is really great. Now let's swap the battery, turn it off. Taking the battery off as well. Need to press here to take it out, just like that. And then insert the other one here. There we go, it's done. So as you can see, this time is not connected, so you need to turn this on off, turn it on again. Now it's flickering. So if you go up, you can hear a beep, then you go down, and now it's connected, as you can see, and then you can turn it on. It's like really easy to control, as you can see, forward, backwards, side to side. And then we have this for rotation. That's where the drone is now. So going up just like that, then going down just like that. And you can see it stays up quite well. And you can go side to side. So then if we go down, you can land it if you press this one once. So as you can see, you can play it with it indoors as well, but it's best to play it outside because here it's really easy to hit obstacles. So it's best to go outside and play with it outside because it's like easier.